Good morning, class. As in the last class, I have made you explain the chapter 2 from English Literature course book, that is Nani's Walk to the Park, and we have completed the explanation of that chapter. Now, today we are going to start with read the sentences from the story and answer these questions. We have been given one line from the story and been asked to answer 3 questions from each of that line. We have to answer them. Now, first one, like it is being said, come, come, Nani calls softly. It is being, I can say this line is being said at the lane of happiness. When Nani is calling out doggies and cats, and they came tumbling out, and Nani pours them milk. Nani poured milk in their bowl, and Nani and Winky see dogs and cats drinking milk, and they lick all the milk and clean all the bowls. They lick and clean all the bowls. Now, let us begin with the writing of read the sentences from the story and answer these questions. First of all, open your English literature notebook, write today's date, classwork, and put this heading. Write B and put the heading read the sentences, and start writing the answer these questions from the story in your notebooks. You have to write it in your notebooks only. Don't do it in your book. Now let us begin with the answers. Now, as I have already told you that today we are going to start with answer the questions. We have been given 2 sentences over here from which we have been asked three questions. You have to tell the answer of those three questions. In the first one we have been given A, B, C, and in the second one also we have been given A, B, and C. Now let us begin. First of all, put today's date, classwork. B1. Read the sentences from the story and answer the questions. First sentence is, come, come, Nani calls softly. When Nani have gone to the lane of happiness, then there Nani calls, come, come, Nani calls softly. Nani calls, this line have been taken when Nani have gone to the lane of happiness. In this, Nani calls out dogs and cats to drink the milk, and Nani and Winky both look that how dogs and cats will drink the milk, and they will lick up all the milk from there. A1 is, who does Nani call? Answer for this is, Nani call dogs and cats out. Whom does Nani call? Nani calls dogs and cats out. Nani asks dogs and cats to come out. B1 is, do they came? How? In this you have to tell whether they came there or not, or how they came. Yes, they came tumbling out from everywhere. Yes, dogs and cat came because Nani and Winky were seeing both of them, all of them drinking the milk. Yes, they all came out from there tumbling out. So, yes, they came out tumbling from everywhere. Now, let us move to C1. C1 is, what does Nani do for them? In this you have to tell, what does Nani do for them? A. Nani pours the milk. Nani first of all poured the milk which she brought at the market, which she brought from the market, as they watch the animals lick their bowls clean. And Nani and Winky both watch the dogs and cat licking the milk and cleaning the whole bowl. So question C is, what does Nani do for them? Answer for this is, Nani pours the milk she brought at the market, and they watch as the animals lick their bowls clean. After completing this, form a line at the end, and let us move to second one. Second line is, put the number second and write the line over here. And they walk down the lane of magic. After the lane of happiness, they went to the lane of magic. Now, question for this is, who are they here? You have to tell who are they referred to being here. Answer is, they are Nani and Winky. Whom are being they referred to as? They are being referred to as Nani and Winky because both of them have gone to the lane of magic. Now question B is, after writing this answer, form a small line at the end and move to question B. Question B is, what do they see in the lane of magic? You have to tell what have they seen in the lane of magic there. Answer for this is, Winky looks up the big trees. Winky was looking at the big trees which were there that offer shade and feels a cool breeze, that were offering shade to both of them and were feeling the cold breeze which was blowing there. Shows his Gulmohar, Amaltas and Jarul trees. They have seen three type of trees there: Gulmohar, Amaltas and the Jarul trees. Now let us repeat the questions one again. Answer for this is, Winky looks up the big trees that offer shade and feels a cool breeze. Nani shows him Gulmohar, Amaltas and the Jarul trees. Now let us move to question C. Question C is, where does the lane take them to? You have to tell. Now after going to the lane of magic, where does this lane of magic will take them? The lane of magic take them to the lane take them to the park. This lane will take them to the park. Now here we complete with the read the sentences from the story and answer the questions. You have to write first A, B and C, second A, B and C in your notebooks only. You have to write this, copy all the question and answer in your notebook. Homework for you all is to, you have to learn the first reference, that is first A, B and C. You have to learn this from your notebooks. Thank you.